May 1977, a triumphant moment in screen history. Thousands gathered at a Chinese theatre in California for the premiere of Star Wars. Through the films, these indelible characters have become our friends as they continue to inspire young and old with their mythic adventures, transporting us to a galaxy far, far away. Now bringing generations of fans together, cinematic history repeats itself, proving Star Wars is a cultural phenomenon that continues with more adventures on the horizon. Star Wars is more than just a movie.
Yeah, I've flown from one side of this galaxy to the other, seen a lot of strange stuff.
Help me if you want to help me. You're my only hope.
I'm on my way to the Force to become a Jedi with my father.
In time, you will call me Master.
I know.
Yes, but you're the way to go.
I'm not afraid. You will be. Use the Force, Luke. Feel the Force around you. Through the Force, things you will see. Other places, the future, the past.
My goodness. I am C-3PO, Human Cyber Relations, and this is my counterpart, R2-D2.
I am fluent in 6 million forms of communication.
Secret mission. Plans. What are you talking about?
Exciting is not the word I would choose.
You watch your language. I'm going to regret this.
The Force. Life creates it, makes it grow. Its energy surrounds us and binds us. Han Solo. I'm Captain William Falk. You don't look like much. You gotta work out.
This butthole is never going to get past that blockade.
Don't worry.
Hope is not lost today. It is found.
enjoy this performance of Star Wars, a galaxy far, far away. Now please gather your lightsabers, blasters, and other belongings, and enjoy the rest of your day here at the Walt Disney Studios Park. And may the Force be with you. Merci d'avoir assisté au spectacle Star Wars, une galaxie lointaine, très lointaine. Veuillez rassembler vos sabres laser, vos blasters et tous vos effets personnels. Nous vous souhaitons une magnifique journée au parc Walt Disney Studios et que la force soit avec vous.